So I've adapted, if people know the Wim Hof method and the breathing method. I've been doing Wim Hof now since, when is it? 2016, when I started cold showers and went through the whole course. That was 10 years ago. It was an online course, so 2016, 2026 now. It was life-changing. The cold showers, the meditation, etc. For quite a few years, I kind of stopped the meditation and the breath work, and in the last year or so, since quitting alcohol, or largely quitting alcohol, I would say mostly alcohol-free, I've put the breath work and meditation back in. So I like to do it when possible, outside on the grass, and as much sun exposure as possible. It's a little bit cloudy right now, but there was sun out earlier. And the way I do it, again, it's kind of from the Wim Hof method, but I've adapted it to, I think, a slightly more enhanced, although it works for me and you guys can try it, is firstly, it's through the nose and out the nose only, a yogi type of breath, not the Wim Hof through the mouth. I don't think that works for me, and I don't think it works for a lot of people. So I do through in the nose and out the nose. So that's the first part, and I do 30 of those deep breaths.